Nitro J. All right, give him a like, everybody.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
All right. There you go. Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Big Nitro J. I got two ZV6 Sundown 12s on the Taurus 8K, wired to 2 ohms with a 320 amp auto tech alternator. That's pretty much it.
All right. Did you build the box or who built it?
Loud Grandpa here installed.
Loud Grandpa, okay.
Yes, sir.
Is this breaking?
It keep breaking. What is that? Yeah. I broke that with the ZV5s.
Oh man, I like your brace.
Yeah,
I've never
man.
seen one like this, so you can actually tighten it.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
I bet you that helped a lot.
Yeah, it did, because the roof was real bad.
Really nice. That looks good. Do you know your tuning on it?
Box tune at 32 hertz.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Tune at 32 hertz. I can play down to like 25.
Okay.
Up to like 60.
Yes, sir. All right, I'm ready.
Jacob Vile, I hope you enjoyed the full walker we just got of Nitro J's system. Shout out to you, man. Be sure, everybody, to give him a like if you haven't already. Great job with the walk around, and we're about to get to the bass demo. Just want to say thank y'all for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos. This is at the Ruckus and Chill Show in Fayetteville, North Carolina in 2021. As well as comment and let him know what you think about his system. I really like Nitro J's system with the way he has everything installed, nice and clean. All the wiring job is great. Really solid Aeroport 8-inch box for a dual 12-inch subwoofer system. The subwoofer's being inverted. There was a small discussion on that previous videos of if it makes it louder or not. Usually it can if the box is too small and you don't have enough power. Sometimes it can be a loss as well. It really just depends on the system, and you got to trial and error it. It also can increase or lower your tuning depending on how much space your box is. So it's all trial and error. Every system varies, but some people like the motor look on the outside and better cooling as well. So we also added some additional roof bracings, which I'm sure helped increase his SPL score as well as help stop some of the flex. But when you see this bass demo, it is insane amount of flex he still had. In his back window and glass is actually flexing to where I'm surprised it didn't break. He added some towel there. So we're going to enjoy the bass demo now. Thank y'all for watching.
like y'all lost. Fuck y'all niggas. I ain't gotta give no homo. Always, yeah, I'm smoking on the just come on.
Show up at the end. What's up, man? Jacob, he's giving us a demo.
Enjoy it, man.
Yes, sir, man.
It's my
And thanks for the
friend.
demo, man.
No problem. Appreciate
Hey,
you,
man.
man.
What was your name?
Jermaine. Big
Jermaine.
Nitro J. Big Nitro J.
Big Nitro J. All right,
Yes,
give him a like, everybody.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.